Let's look at York Region condo market. So this is condo apartments and condo townhomes. When we look at the median price month over month from January to February, we're up 0.7%. Transaction volume is up 3.2%. Now that's to be expected. Typically December, January, very slow months. You want to see that pick up in February as the market starts to get ready for the spring market, February, March, April, and May. New listing volume was actually down. This is what we've seen in other regions as well. New listing volume down to 1.5%. Median days on market, we were at 39 in January, we're down to 23. And even the termination volume, we saw a decrease in the amount of properties that were terminating. They were down 27%. So maybe a lot of condos have already repriced themselves in January. They put them back on the market and they're willing to wait to maybe till March to kind of get a feel if they're going to get any buyers, or sorry, till April, to see if they're going to get anyone back into the market and then potentially do another price adjustment then. So when we look at it year over year, we are down 8.4% and for the median price, and sales are down 25.5%. So definitely a lot of strain in the condo market in York Region still, with new listings also being up 17.7% over last year's February. And then if we kind of look at how it's held up January, February of last year to January, February of this year, prices down 6.6 to start the year, 6.6%, going from 700,000 prior year to 6,500 and 3,000. And then we're also seeing new listings increase year over year for those 2 months by 30%. And then when we're looking at the new listings volume, we can see we had a big uptick in new listings to start January. February we saw, a steadying out, whereas in a lot of other years, you can see this upwards trend as the year starts when we start to pile on new listings. So I do think that a bunch of new listings got onto the market in January, and we'll see if that number kind of just goes sideways for a little while. So 2025, 658 new listings as compared to 559 last year. Definitely seeing some worse areas in regions than what we're seeing in York Region. Sales volume is not the worst, but it is down there. They are having a really slow start to the year in terms of the amount of sales. 1,096 as compared to last year's 263. Active listings, we can see that they're not down 56%. This is just showing the gap here. They are up 56% year over year on active listings. This is with sales volume being extremely low, new listings being high. We're just seeing a pileup of active listings on the market. This will put pressure on the prices for condos. We're going to want to see active listings start to drop before we're going to see an increase in prices, a significant increase on prices. So when we're looking this year for active listings, 1,074 as compared to last year's 6,089.